Download the photocopy for this lesson. Now we're going to read it together and I'm going to explain to you the activities that you have to do today and over Easter. This photocopy is about Fabergé eggs. Think about the best Easter egg ever. How do you imagine it? With lots of chocolate, with a cool surprise inside? What if someone gave you an egg that wasn't made of chocolate? If you were a member of the Russian royal family, your Easter egg wasn't a chocolate egg. It was made of the most precious metals and stones, like gold, silver and diamonds. A Fabergé egg. Here it is. Now we're going to read about Peter Carl Fabergé. Peter Carl Fabergé was born in Russia in 1846. He was a jeweler, so he made jewellery. I guess this is him. Oh no, this isn't him. We're going to look at the photo after. In 1885, Tsar Alexander III, who was like the king of Russia, asked Fabergé to make him an egg covered in jewels. Here we have a picture of Tsar Alexander and Empress Maria, his wife. The Tsar wanted to give his wife, Empress Maria, a very special egg for Easter. The Tsar wanted the most beautiful egg ever made, and the egg had to have a special surprise inside, like the chocolate Easter eggs do today. The Empress loved the egg so much that the Tsar ordered Fabergé to make him an egg every year for his wife. In total, Fabergé made 70 eggs. 50 of these eggs were given to the Russian royal family. These 50 eggs are called Imperial Fabergé eggs. The other 20 were given to different people. 64 of the original Fabergé eggs are in museums around the world, but 6 are still missing to this day. Who knows? Maybe there could be an original Fabergé egg in your house. Okay, now let's research, because this is what you need to do over Easter. You need to do a research project on the Fabergé egg fact file. Use this fact file, so this document, to record information you discover about one of the most famous Fabergé eggs. You can choose an imperial egg or one of the eggs made by Fabergé for other people. Complete all the information. So you need to go on the internet and you need to find out about one of the Fabergé eggs. Here you need to write the name of the egg, because every egg had a special name. Here you need to write who was it made for. Here you need to write the history of the egg. So maybe you could write the date that the egg was made, or anything else that's interesting about it. Here you need to draw a picture of the egg. You can copy it from the internet. And here you need to write the current location. Where is it now? Is it in a museum, or does somebody have it in their private house? Write the materials it was made from, maybe gold or silver, diamonds, rubies, emeralds. What was the surprise inside the egg? And here you write any other interesting facts that you find out and you want to tell us. Okay? And here we are going to do something different. My fabulous Fabergé egg. Imagine that you are a designer for Fabergé. Design your very own Fabergé egg for the Russian royal family. Use your imagination, but remember, your clients are royalty, and it must contain a surprise. So probably the Russian royal family wouldn't want an elegant egg that was covered in pirate designs. They want something very, very rich and elegant. Okay? You need to complete this table. Here the description. So you can write something about the egg. You could write the colours perhaps here. The materials used. So what would your egg be made from? Would it be made from gold or silver? Would it have diamonds or rubies or emeralds in it? And here you need to write what the surprise inside would be. You need to complete all this work and take a photo of it and send it to me before the end of the Easter holidays. So at the latest on the Monday after Easter, which is Monday the 13th of April. Enjoy finding out about very expensive eggs and enjoy designing your egg. I look forward to seeing it. Bye.